What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am doing a wash and go. Wasn't planning on filming it today because this combination you guys have seen before on my channel, but then I thought, you know what, let me just go ahead and do it so they can see my hair and how it looks since I had it blown out. So you can see that the curls are back intact. There's no, you know, stringy parts or anything like that. And then I said, some of you guys who are new to my channel may not have seen this combo, because a lot of times you guys don't go back to old videos. You just watch from where you started going forward. So I wanted to go ahead and do it again. So basically I am using the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Out Glaze. You guys know I like it. I'm also using this because it's not a lot in here and I'm trying to use up my stash. And then I used the Coarse Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner as my leave-in, and I only had a little bit of it left. I had it upside down, so I finished it off and then went in with a new one. So that is what I'm going to use today. So the leave-in is already in my hair. I apply it in the shower, and this is what my hair looks like. It looks really good on the ends, in my opinion. So we're going to go ahead and just start applying this glaze. I haven't used this glaze in a while. I hope it's good. It's always kind of sticky and taffy-like, like that. But for some reason, it feels a little bit more rubbery than it normally does. So I have a new one. I'm going to open it up and see how it feels. And if they're comparable, I'll finish off that one. But if it feels like it's not as tacky, then I'm going to go ahead and just use this new one so I can make sure I'm using a nice product. Yeah. Yeah, see how that one does? Kind of gummy. Yeah, I think this one is kind of old, has had a lot of air get to it, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of this one. You'll see it in my empties, even though it's not empty, it's just old. I shouldn't have waited so long to use it, so I'll set it back there for now. So I'm going to go ahead and break into this new one and start applying the products to my hair before my hair dries out. And it feels really good. I use the the products that I used prior to this, which I believe I talked to you about in a previous video, were the NaturalRaeRae products, and they did have silicone in them. So I did use a sulfate shampoo to cleanse my hair. I didn't bring it up here, but I used the Suave Coconut, Tropical Coconut or something like that, shampoo to cleanse my hair. And then I went in with the Coarse Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash for my second cleanse. It's sulfate free. It's supposed to hydrate the driest curl and encourage a healthy scalp and hair growth. It's formulated with organic blueberry extract, aloe leaf juice, chamomile extract. It's supposed to repair, protect, and restore. And so I wanted to use this because of the repairing properties, plus since I had used heat on my hair too, you know, I wanted to use something that was going to help my curls to bounce back. Then I went in with the reparative hair mask from Coarse Blueberry Bliss, and I didn't bring it up here, but I used that as well for my deep condition. And then of course I use the reparative leave-in conditioner. So I used the Coarse Blueberry Bliss line for the most part. And now, instead of using their gel, which I thought about, I was like, oh, I just said that I wanted to break into their gels. You know what? I don't know why I'm doing my hair like this. I normally rub this together and put it on my hands. I don't know what I'm doing. It's been a while since I did a wash and go and don't know what I'm doing. Hopefully I won't get flakes doing it the other way. Back to what I was saying. I thought about using that gel, but then I was like, you know what? I need my hair to last because Easter is coming up. Easter is Sunday, and I don't want to have to do my hair over if for some reason the blueberry bliss gels don't last because they're a light hold. So I said, I know that this works for me, or at least it used to. I haven't used it in a while. I'm gonna go ahead and just use it. So that's the only reason why I'm using this, because I know it works and I wanted to use it up. Since I used up the leave-in, I said I'll use up this, but since the other jar was bad, I just broke into this new one. But yeah, that's why I'm using this one. And this is what my hair looks like. Nice and juicy. So if you are new to my channel and you have not seen this combo before, I'll link my other wash and goes here. I also used it for a twist out, I believe, and got a pretty good twist out too. So I like the Pearly braid out glaze. Some people said the ingredients changed. I hadn't noticed. So, but if you've never used it before, you wouldn't know the difference. So we're gonna see how this one turns out, and let's hope it turns out good. So anyway, guys, I'm not gonna talk a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my hair, and you guys can watch.
Ooh, baby, it's like the world is on our side. Nothing can bring me down tonight. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, I got a brand new love you. Take me away, girl, to a new level.
Okay guys, so I got the product all applied to my hair. Sorry I wasn't able to show all of it, but a call came in, so I was trying to talk and do my hair at the same time. I tried again to not have a distinct part. So that's why you saw me part it and then put that in the front, and then I gathered it up and tried to have it all go back. Of course, my hair doesn't want to all go back because I hardly ever wear it like that, but I'm trying to get rid of the middle part that is kind of there, because I washed my hair in 4 sections with a middle part, and then when my hair was straight, I had it parted down the middle. So anyway, trying to get rid of that. So we're going to see how it works. So I'm going to sit under the dryer and I'll come back and we will see about this hair. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back and this is my hair. So I did stretch it quite a bit actually, because it was shrunken. But as you can see, I still have a lot of definition. Of course, it's a little frizzier on top, which is always the case, but there's still a lot of definition. It's soft. There is no hard crunch. My hair is soft, but because of the hold, the little bit of hold that's on it, it will definitely last me the length of time I need to last me. Now, what I will say is that for me, this time, I feel like I did get, I'm not going to say flaking. I'm going to say I can't see it as much now because all my gray hairs are in the way, but what happened is my hair was not completely dry. So when I went to stretch it, the product that hadn't dried kind of stretched down and kind of beat it on my hair a little bit. So it didn't flake off where you can see it. It just kind of stayed in there. So I'm hoping, you know, once it dries all the way, that will go away. But I hadn't had that happen before, and that's because I normally will dry my hair all the way. I got a late start today and I got interrupted when I was applying the products, which you know, because I came back and my hair was done. Then when I got under the dryer, I got interrupted and had to come from under the dryer and take care of some stuff. And then I got interrupted again with a phone call. It was just a mess. So me coming in and out from under the dryer, and then by the time I got under there to be able to sit, I was just over it. So my hair was probably 90% dry, but there was still like little damp areas. So I just used the blow dryer, the handheld one, to try to kind of dry those areas a little bit. And then I went on and stretched it. So I caused that myself. I'm going to say that. I've never had that happen before. So with that said, I can see you know, a little bit of difference, because normally I have a little bit more shine, and you can see where my ends were dry that is still very curly and very shiny, but where I kind of broke the cast too soon, it doesn't look as shiny. So that's what's going on with my hair, but I can still live with it, and I'm going to live with it. So unless for some reason tomorrow it just looks really bad and flaky, but even then I'm gonna have to try to make it work, because I'm not gonna wash my hair again. But anyway, just wanted to come on and show you this combination. Sorry that it's not the best today because of me, but this combination normally works very well for me. So again, I'll put a video here where you can see how my hair turned out with this combination. But anyway, I like this too, as far as how my hair feels and things of that sort. And yeah, just wanted to come on and show you guys who haven't seen this combo before. But for those of you who have, you guys know that I love the Pearly Braid out glaze. At least I used to. I haven't used it at, this is my first time using it this year. And then last year, I think I used it a couple times. I'm not sure, but it just seems like I haven't used it for a while because I've been using other things. But let me know what you think about this wash and go nonetheless. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.